Al-Quraysh, the Quraysh, with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
لإيلاف قريش.
The Lord destroyed the people of the elephants, which event proved helpful for making covenants of the Quraysh with their contemporary kings for trade.
إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف.
And also for their covenants of journeying by taking caravans in winter to the south and in summer to the north.
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
They should be ever grateful to God for this favor, and therefore they should worship the Lord of the house.
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
Who has fed them against hunger and given them peace and security against all fear.